we are given the following reaction, and it gives us two quantities and an amount that was produced. We want to find the limiting reactant, the theoretical yield, and the percent yield. So basically we're combining all the things that we've currently learned. So the very first thing that I need to do is I need to write a balanced equation. So how do we do this? Well, remember, this is what we've done, already taken a test on, the whole 9 yards. I've got 2 irons on this side, so I'm going to need to put a 2 here. Now, I've got 4 oxygens on the left, and I'm going to need 4 on the right. So I'm going to put a 2 right here. And that gives me 2 carbon dioxides. Oh, now I'm going to need a 2 over here. So that changes things, right? So now I have 3, 4, 5. That's not good. So what if I say, make this a 3? That'll give me 3 plus 3 is 6. And then I need a 3 over here. So this is your balanced equation. Next, what we want to do is we want to label the quantities on that balanced equation. So we were originally given 185 grams of this and 95.3 grams of this, and we want to find iron. So we're going to do what we did before. We're going to calculate the limiting reactant. So we're going to start with the two givens, and we're going to calculate the final answers of each. So try this on your own and see how you do. After you've done each of your calculations, these are the answers that should be obtained. Now remember, to calculate the limiting reactant, which number is smaller? Well, the 127. And what did we start with from the 127? We started with carbon monoxide. So the limiting reactant is carbon monoxide, and we produced 127 grams. Now remember, whatever you produced, that's your theoretical yield. That's what you calculated that you should produce if this reaction takes place. So the last thing that we need to do is we need to calculate the percent yield. And remember, it is the actual divided by the theoretical. And if you recall, if you go all the way back up to the top of the problem, it said that we would actually produce 87.4 grams. But we found that you produced 127 grams. So we're going to divide those two numbers, multiply by 100, and we're going to get 68.8%.